In today's video, we're going to make our own oatmeal bath bags and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. First of all, oatmeal has an abundance of antioxidant properties and helps undo damage done to your skin by pollution, UV rays, and chemicals. It's an antipyretic and helps control the itching associated with various skin diseases, fungal infections, and rashes. It also supports against inflammation and so can be used to calm eczema, psoriasis, and acne-prone skin. Finally, due to oatmeal's healing, moisturizing, and antioxidant properties, it's a great way to soothe sunburn. Now, you can use oatmeal on its own and receive all the same benefits, but let's talk about why bath bags are a much more convenient way to utilize the power of oatmeal. Well, if you've ever made oatmeal a part of your skin regimen, you know how crazy messy it is to use and how those pesky oats like to stick to your skin. When placed in water, the pores of the muslin bag allow that beautiful white oatmeal residue to mix with your bath water, creating a milky hue. Not only is the bath water itself beneficial, but you can rub the bag all over your body and face for an even more intense treatment. All right, let's get to it. We need half a cup of oatmeal. Now, besides all its health benefits, oatmeal has a plethora of other rewards. Due to its saponin content, it works as a natural skin cleanser and it doesn't strip the skin of its natural oils. The proteins and lipids in oatmeal make it an effective moisturizer and improve skin tone and texture. It also functions as a natural exfoliant and absorbs oils. 1 muslin bag. Essential oils I like to use is lavender and rosemary essential oils. 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender can induce calm and relaxation, it's an antioxidant, and so supports the skin against wrinkles. It's antibacterial and antifungal, making it a great intervention for acne-prone skin. It promotes blood circulation and supports against inflammation. 3 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary supports blood circulation, is antibacterial, and can reduce stress and anxiety. First, scoop out half a cup of oatmeal and place it in your muslin bag. Then add 3 drops of lavender and 3 drops of rosemary essential oil. Finally, if you'd like, add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender, chamomile, or rosemary. Tie the muslin bag tight and place it in bath water. And it's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Remember, keep your bath bags in a cool, dry space. I recommend only using the muslin bag once. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.